Born and raised right here in town, Clarkston proud where the roots run down. Dave's the guy when the grime won't go. 30 years making homes look old. Dicks inside and fences too. Driveways shining like they're brand new. Hard work, honest hands, helping neighbors across his land. Clarkston Powerwashing and Sealing, making old decks look brand new again. From patios to siding and driveways too. There's a man when the job needs doing right for you. Call today and make it shine. 248-961-3325. Stain that deck so it lasts for years. Small repairs, Dave's got it handled here. Local guy who loves this town. Best clean work for miles around. Clarkston Power Washing and Sealing.